Ladies and gentlemen, soldiers and warriors of life, gather around and listen closely. Today, I bring you the wisdom of a legendary soldier, Solid Snake, as we embark on a journey to unlock the secrets of strategic thinking and tactical brilliance. These 10 secrets will empower you, inspire you, and guide you towards greatness in all aspects of your life. So brace yourselves, and let's dive into the depths of strategic mastery. Secret number 1. Know yourself. Just as a soldier understands his strengths and weaknesses, you must be acutely aware of your own. Recognize your talents, passions, and limitations. Embrace your unique qualities, for they are the building blocks of your strategic prowess. Secret number 2. Master the art of adaptation. In the chaos of battle, plans often change. Be flexible and nimble in your approach. Adaptation is the key to survival and victory, both on the battlefield and in the game of life. Secret number 3. See the bigger picture. Lift your gaze beyond the immediate, beyond the noise and distractions. Develop the ability to see the grand scheme of things. By understanding the larger context, you can identify opportunities and make decisions that will shape your destiny. Secret number 4. Analyze, analyze, analyze. Like a tactical genius, scrutinize every detail, every piece of information available to you. Dedicate yourself to relentless analysis, for it is through this process that you uncover hidden patterns, weaknesses, and opportunities. Secret number 5. Embrace innovation. The world is ever-changing, and to thrive, you must be a master of innovation. Challenge the status quo, break boundaries, and forge new paths. The greatest victories are often born from the boldest of ideas. Secret number 6. Build strong alliances. No soldier stands alone. Surround yourself with people who complement your skills, who challenge you to be better, and who share your vision. Together, you form an unstoppable force, united in purpose and determination. Secret number 7. Plan with precision. A brilliant strategist leaves no room for chance. Craft meticulous plans, foresee potential obstacles, and devise contingencies. Preparation is the foundation upon which victory is built. Secret number 8. Trust your instincts. In the fog of war, rationality alone cannot guide you. Trust your gut, your intuition, honed through years of experience. Sometimes, the best decisions are made in the blink of an eye. Secret number 9. Embrace failure as a stepping stone. Failure is not a destination, it is a stepping stone towards success. Learn from your mistakes, adapt, and persevere. The path to greatness is paved with countless setbacks, but it is those who rise again that leave a lasting legacy. Secret number 10. Courage in the face of fear. Fear is a constant companion, lurking in the shadows, ready to paralyze. But true tactical brilliance lies in the ability to confront fear head-on, to harness its energy and turn it into courage. Embrace the unknown, for it is where greatness awaits. Soldiers, warriors, and seekers of greatness, armed with these 10 secrets, you possess the keys to strategic thinking and tactical brilliance. Now go forth, conquer your battles, and leave an indelible mark on this world. Remember, it is not just about winning, it is about how you play the game of life. Solid Snake, out.